Hey everybody, this is Andrew from TS Protect. Today I'm going to take a look at this 12-inch multi-touch portable display from a company called Wimaxit. W-I-M-A-X-I-T. Not sure if I'm saying that right. It's a 12-inch diagonal touch screen, has an IPS panel, it's HD, USB-C connector, has a foldable kickstand that comes with it, and also has power delivery, so you can plug things into this as well. I will go ahead, and I don't have a knife on me. So I have done some other videos of portable screens on the channel in the past. None of them have been touchscreen. So this is one of the things that I really wanted to have as a touchscreen, just to try out with different things, right? So I've got some ideas about home automation, some stuff like that I was hoping to use like a Raspberry Pi with a touchscreen. So hopefully that's going to work for this case. I'm going to have to test it out and all of that, obviously, but we'll see. So again, comes with a user manual, obviously, all that, some cleaning, screen cleaning things, etc. Get a USB-C to USB-C cable. Get a USB to USB-C cable. Get a power adapter. It's the stand. Kind of a plastic kickstand here. I don't know if I can open it. Plastic kickstand. You can put the monitor in. Then you get a HDMI to a mini HDMI cable to connect it up. And there was also a screen protector in there that I saw. But this is basically what it looks like. So pretty small touch screen. On the one side it does have the mini HD connector or mini HDMI connector, USB-C, USB-C. The other side there's some menu things, menu controls, a headphone adapter, looks like some speakers on the side as well. It looks like you can get a mount for it. So if you wanted to mount this on something, there's some screw holes in the back as well. And then you basically are able to just set it up like this. So multiple angles with this little kickstand. And that's what it looks like. This is made out of seemingly like an aluminum, feels like metal. Yeah, so that's what it says. Or that's what it looks like. And you see there, it's the Wimaxit logo. Now, the one thing I wish on a lot of these small monitors is that they didn't put the actual connectors right on the edge. Because what ended up happening is, now you have all these cables and stuff sticking right out of the side of the monitor, versus if they would have made it a little thicker in the back or something, and then recessed those in so that they can be somewhat hidden from when you're viewing it from the front. So we'll have to see how that works. Obviously not the end of the world, but something to consider. So what I'm going to do on the next part of this video is go ahead and connect this up to a computer, connect this up to something via USB-C, because I want to try to see how it works as a touch controller, what the video quality looks like and all of that. So we'll go ahead and continue the review by plugging it in and testing it out. So let's hop on over to that. Hey everybody, so this is the second part of the video. Now I did connect this to my Mac Studio, and as you can see, it works. I just plugged it in with the USB-C cable on the side there. So single cable gets the power and the video settings, and the video. And the other thing I just wanted to show real quick, so the native resolution here is 1366 by 768. Now that is the default. Now you can also set it to 1280 by 720. So, it is HD, right? It's not 1080p, but it is HD display. So as you can see, it's the Wimaxit shows up right next to my LG HD R4K display. Now that's a 43-inch display, but I'm able to extend the desktop at the native resolution of the monitor, the color profile, refresh rate, and all of that is set right there. And I'll just go ahead and show you. So just by nature of how this works, it seems like the display does work as a mouse driver, right? So like if I do this, you can see I can move the mouse around, so I can touch things here. The only problem is like you can't do scrolling, it doesn't seem. So if you want to scroll it, you have to kind of go on the scroll bar. I'm not really sure. Now, I did notice before I can do like a multi-swipe, it seems. No, it doesn't actually work. Yeah, something got messed up. So, I mean, while the touch screen like is a touch screen, it's not exactly how you would think a touch screen might work. Now, I will have to do some research and test out and see, you know, what else I can do here for the multi-touch. When I did not have this open before, I was able to swipe and it changed the desktops. But, you know, unfortunately, yeah, like I said, this seems just to reproduce a single mouse touch. Now, I don't know if that's the same in Windows or not, or Linux or anything like that, but for Mac, that seems to be the case. Now, I can go full screen with this and play it. And I'm using one of my videos so I don't get a copyright strike. And as you can see here, you can get the sound. Cable, so USB Type A to USB Type C, so you can charge it. And this is the device. So the sound works. It's not very loud, so the built-in speakers aren't very loud. But the picture quality is really good. It's hard to see, I guess, using this phone. The picture quality is pretty good. So you can use the jog wheel on the side to go through all the different on-screen menu adjustments and all of that, which you can change modes, you know, the temperature, positioning, brightness, contrast, all the standard types of things that you can adjust on a monitor, you can do on this. I do know that it looks like a little flickery here in the video, but that's just because of the refresh rate, the frames per second on the camera, so obviously it's not flickering in real life. But yeah, I mean, this is, I've been playing with this for a little bit, and it's really good quality, for sure. Now, the sound might be an issue if you're going to rely on this for having a really loud sound, if you're, you know, plugging this into something and you want to use the speakers on here, because it's not very loud. But other than that, it's a pretty cool little device. Now, that's all I guess I'll do for this review, just to kind of show you that it works, and it works really well, and I actually really like it. It's a nice size. Later on, I'm going to actually try to do something else and maybe incorporate this into a home automation project or something like that, where this is going to be a monitor screen for, you know, looking at some of my home automation stuff. The only problem with that is I do need to figure a way to have like a different, maybe side angle mounted USB-C connector, because this one sticks right out the side and, you know, it's not very compact from that standpoint. But we'll see how that goes. I mean, overall, pretty good monitor. I do like it. And yeah. So this is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Problems. I would never thought that you could be causing these problems.